finally arrived now. This is the mirror that Muna Mo bought it for me to terno for this simple drawer. You know, my husband keep buying things from Lazada, but it's not that expensive, you know. But sometimes you get crap things because most of the thing is mayroong scam, diba? But some of it, mostly actually, pag umorder siya sa Lazada, maganda yung mga kinuha niya. And then, mapapabili lalaki si Mama. So, let's open this one, yung mirror. Paano ba to? Mirror on the wall. Ay, may ganito siya. Ewan ko saan yan. Actually, hindi niya pinakita sa akin. Hindi na-mention about it. Ay. Ano to, girl? Ano to? Mag-professional makeup artist lang? Tiring! Oh my God, I love it! Ay, nakikita niyo ba? Ang nakikita doon, camera nandun. Oh my God, I love it so. Hopefully, gumagana lahat ng mga ilaw. May ito pala yung ano. Ay, ewan ko saksakan. I need to charge, siguro chargeable. Muna mo! Where's my asawa? Teka lang, tawagin ko muna yung muna. Nag-general clinic kasi kami. Ayan, tingnan mo. It's so nice. I love it. Bagay na bagay dito. Look here. Mamaya, kapakita ko, gumagana yung ano, ang tawag ito yung bumbilya. The bulbs. I hope it's working, the bulbs, no? So it's nice. I love it. You can do that. I'm excited. Alam mo yung mga senior citizen, kailangan may ilaw. Like me. Senior citizen soon. So, yes! Ang tawag ito.